Yo, yo, yo. What's up, peoples? What's up? What's up? How you doing, Ibrahim? Oh, where's my music? There we go. What's up? What's good? What's good? Thursday? Gold. Ooh, what are we doing, Goldie? Looks like a nice continuation pattern for the cells. You're doing good. That's good. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. Go on, gold. I think gold continues down from here. Are you gonna push? Very weak bullish candle. Let's start with the daily. Man, gold is just all in. All right, so on the daily, gold has tapped a support here around 43, with the lows 43.77. But I'm still getting hard to handle trading. Listen, it takes time. It takes time. It takes time. Don't rush. Don't put a rush on it. It does take a while, okay? Like, there's different market cycles. Even me, as long as I've been trading, the markets are different when it comes to news. It's different when it comes to massive crises like the like COVID. Like you just get used. You have to get used to it. Yeah, so don't worry. It will take as long as it takes, but eventually you put the work in, you practice, you'll get it. You'll get it. So yeah, I want to see if gold holds at this daily support here, or if it pushes back up. If we get a little bounce. But if we start to break, I mean, look, we're still overall bullish on gold until we break 4,300. If we break below 4,300, if we close below 4,300, then we're definitely more bearish on gold. Definitely bearish on gold. 4 hour, so the 4 hour is on this support as well. We're in this area, of course. I thought I had. Is this Owanda? Yeah. Resistance here, resistance. I mean, support here, support here. So yeah, I want to see if we can push down. If we break below here, I'm looking at 43.34 first, and then below 42.50. Jeez. Structure wise, look, we're still looking quite bearish. I wonder if this is just a little pullback to then continue down. But we will see. If I want to take any sells, I would have ideally maybe a retest of this broken support up here. We pull back up, like retest this kind of resistance area. But let me shift that. Pull back, retest if we hold, and we come back down. Or maybe we push up, close above, and then sell back in, get a little fake out, maybe something like that. Gold is going to be interesting. We have news in 35 minutes. So let's see how gold plays out for news. But no trades for me today. No trades just yet. You know, by the time I come to the market, I see it pulling back. Obviously, if gold is bearish, I'm very cautious about taking buys. And look, these buys, although it, you know, it moved, what, 310 pips, 301 pip, 320 pips. Yeah, I don't want to be trading against the trend. That just means I've got to wait for a good area to get into some more sales. Benny. What's up, Benny? You good? Good, I'm great. Nice, nice, nice. Another Asian session tank. Yeah, man. What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Man, look at that. When did it drop? From 2 o'clock? Just boom. Let's check out the news. Your big problem is waiting on the setup. How can you advise me on that? What time frame do you trade on? Your time frames. They're really out here fighting each other again. Four-hour to 15-minute confirmation. Well, what pairs do you trade? What pair do you trade? Or pairs? So the time I trade BTC, sometimes gold, GBP, USD. Well, BTC, I mean, I don't recommend that as a very good pair, to be fair. How often does your strategy appear on BTC? Like, do you actually get to execute a lot of trades? Or is it you try to get into early? Sorry, I'm looking at the whole wrong screen. Fly. So I did want to see news that we had. All right, core PCE price index, April 30th. Seems I enter too early before I get to its real move. Okay, but does the idea play out as well, or is it just, or the idea doesn't work anyway? If you're just getting in too early, if you're getting in too early, then you're not waiting for the right confirmations. You need to figure out what you need to see specifically for the trade to work for you to get in. So, I mean, if you keep taking trades that are too early and the move plays out, you should be taking a screenshot, marking your entry, marking where the best entry is, and then looking to see why you're getting in too early, or what is it that happens after your entry that makes it a better entry coming. Because really you need to be protecting your capital as well. You know what I mean? If you keep taking early entries and losing, it's just, yeah, you're going to just be taking losses. Yeah. And you need to figure out why you're getting in too early as well. Like, what's the reason you can't wait? Do you know what I mean? Like, if you're forcing, sounds like you're forcing the trade. If you're forcing the trade, sometimes it's because you're bored, you're just impatient, FOMO. Like, you need to really get, like, figure out why, like, what's making you jump in right now. It sounds, if you can't wait, it sounds more like impatience. And your biggest edge as a trader is being patient. You know what? Maybe you should make a checklist. This is exactly what I need to see before I get into a trade. And if you don't have everything marked off your checklist, you don't get into the trade. Don't get in. It's a good drink. Right, sorry, April 30th. See what happened during the last set of news. Came out as expected. So we had a little push up. Is that the only news on that day? Well, it wouldn't have been prelim GDP. That was March 13th. So I'm not even going to check that one. That's way back. Quarterly news. We don't even have a bottom wick on this candle. We got to come back for this bottom wick. Where are we going? Where are you going, Goldie? I can use 7 to 8 hours on the chart. Something form look like my setup on my price of interest. I jump in, then it take me out. Then it proceeds to my direction. Maybe your stop loss is too small. Maybe you need to use a bigger stop loss. Advise me on which time I can get to screen. I can't for Bitcoin, but if you're scalping, you want to be looking at market opens, because that's normally when most of the volume is, when the market opens. So if you're trading the UK session, it needs to be between 7 a.m. UK to about 10 p.m. UK, and then NY session probably about NY session like 7-8 o'clock NY session to about 10-11 o'clock. So I don't spend more than 6 hours on the chart. And yeah, if you're spending 7 to 9 hours on the chart, it probably is a bit too long. And that's probably why you are forcing moves. It's a long time to not do anything. And that's probably why you feel like you have to do something. Are you journaling? Are you recording your trades? Are you analyzing where you're going wrong? If you're not doing any of that, yes, you won't improve. You need to be not just taking pictures of your trades, but really, you know, why did you get in? Your thoughts. You need to be writing your thoughts down. Your pros and cons list. What's good about this trade? What's bad about this trade? If you keep getting in too early or you getting stopped out, then yeah, it's either your entry isn't good, or maybe you just use a bigger stop loss, especially if it goes in your direction. But you'll get there, you'll get there. Trading, it takes a lot of self-reflection, a lot of self-analysis. You have to really be able to admit, you know, when you're wrong, where you've gone wrong. There we go. Come down for this bottom wick. I don't know where gold was going, just pushing up with no bottom wick. Rosie, afternoon girl. How are you? How are you today? Ready for the markets? Ready for the news? More nice sells maybe? But GJ. It don't look great. It's old. DXY is coming down. It's not great for the buys. I mean, for the sells on gold. That NAS DXY is coming down. Oof. Our gold is pushing up from a daily support. We could get a big push up from here. We could get the start of a move up from here. I wouldn't put it past gold. Daily, 4-hour support, everything. Okay, we're pushing up without no bottom wick. Maybe the news candle comes down and gives us a bottom wick. Do you reckon, guys, we push up before we drop? Do I do a little poll? Let me do a quick poll. Let's see. Let's see what Goldie does. Let's see. Let's see. Gold buys. Gold sells. Get your votes in. Get your votes in. And I'm so ready. I'm talking about. You want sells? At least create a bottom wick. I mean, if we got 13 minutes, this candle could actually... There's enough time in this candle for gold to come down and create that bottom wick. There's enough time. So if we haven't by then I can see the next candle coming down to give that wick. I do feel like with news recently, Nothing has been as high impact as the war headlines. Nothing. Like yesterday, look at this. Yesterday, that 300 pip push up after the war headline. This was nuts. Yesterday we had so much volume. 280 pips, nearly 390. It's huge, 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 huge. And then we just died down. There we go. All right. So look how quick we came back for that wick. Super quick. Go on, flip bearish, flip bearish. Give us a little bottom wick. It's an hourly candle too. We gotta come back for this wick. Damn, so close, so close. 87, 88. There we go. Go on, drive down a bit more. Let's give us a little bottom wick. Don't need to be nothing crazy. Just needs to exist. There we go. There we go. Came back for that wick. Barely a bottom wick though. I just hope we don't get mixed news. I hope it, you know, it does what it's supposed to do. Oh, we're gonna get a little drive now. That's it. All right. Jump back up 10 pips. Nearly 20 pips. That's really all the bottom wicket was trying to give. Yeah, now I kind of feel like we might push up on gold. After that, like we came back for that wick, so there's not really much motivation to come down. But yeah, let me not guess. Let me just wait and see what gold wants to do. Oh, we're dropping. Dropping before the news. 10 minutes to go. Dropping like this. All right, Goldie. Okay, okay. And DXY is dropping. Everything's dropping. What's going on? Breaking lows. H4 flip bearish. Gold could hit 4,300 today. I mean, shoot, I got a couple targets before that. But if that's where it wants to go, then shoot. Got a couple targets below. I mean, above that. So first target for me would be 4,332, 4,333, and then, well, yeah, that is my next target really. That would be first. After that, man, the next 4-hour support is 42.50. Ooh. And we had a massive drop today. What time did this news come out? Why gold dropped? It was like 2 in the morning. 9 hours ago. 1 now. It was around, it was midnight-ish. So far towards Kuwait was intercepted. Damn. They're saying Israel is breaking the ceasefire, but I mean, Iran is breaking the ceasefire, but Israel can bomb Lebanon. Look, they're saying they're retaliating. They're retaliating. Man, this war is crazy, man. It needs to just be over already. They did say it could be up to 60 days to finalize the agreement or to lock it in. $70.80. Right, go. Let's see if we can push out of Asian range. If we push up, I want to see how gold reacts to 4,400. I want to see if we react to 4,400. Like, tap it and then drop. If we break and push above, I still have to wait for like the next 30-minute candle to see what gold wants to do, but maybe a breakout. Maybe if we get a closure above, we can catch some more to move. All right, 3.5 minutes to go. Trump was so much, gold was so much better when Trump wasn't in office. No, facts, facts. He's making the markets very volatile. Every market as well, man. Every market is just volatile. It's just... Oh yeah, I did want to see... Did like NAS. NAS is due a bit of a pullback. It is. It's just been pushing. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days straight, just pushing. Needed a bit of a pullback before we continued up. Not bad, not bad. A minute and 30. And I'll close the poll right after or right before. Where's the poll at? Where are we at? Let's see what the results are right here. Let's see. So majority are saying sells. Okay, guys. Okay. That's what you think? Sells. %40 saying buys, 50 saying sells, 10% saying a whipsaw. I'm gonna find out in 40 seconds. Who's changing their mind? Oh no, people are voting. Damn, buys and sells are even 45%. Okay. 10 seconds. We need one more vote. Someone with whips. You guys stop playing. Oh shoot. Alright, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna end it right here. Gold, where we going? Damn, buys and sells are even. Whipsaw, 23%. The buyers look like they had it. Buyers look like they had it. It's not over yet though. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Why is it pending there? Bad numbers. Bad numbers. Very bad numbers. So the red folder news is bad numbers, and then we have yellow folder news, which is good. Gold's all over the place. Woo. Alright, let's see what this news does. Are we gonna keep pushing? But yeah, those were not good numbers at all. Very bad numbers. So bad numbers mean bad numbers are typically not good for USD, which means it should be good for gold. That's kind of how news is interpreted. DXY, I don't know what DXY is doing. Nas, what did Nas do? A little reaction, little push up on Nas. Jumping. I don't know how these USD pairs are moving. Push up, push up. J, little drop. GJ, I don't even really check on GJ no more. So sad. Not getting like that standard news reaction. Like I said, I think the war news has had more impact than these kind of red folders, these little red folders that happen every month. Not a strong push? No, it's not. It really isn't. Not a strong push at all. Definitely not a strong push. Even though that news would have been bullish for gold, well, bearish for DXY, should have been bullish for gold. But if this is all the push we're getting, yeah, this ain't much of a push. Spliff, walk on. What's good? What's good? What's good? That news was weak, man. Weak news. Weak news. How's your morning been? You in any US 30 or NAS trades? Damn, look at DXY. It's really holding. Really holding. Oh, the gold just popped? Yes, it did. Shooting up. Hey Mike, what's happening? You good? Good. Looking at NAS right now. Okay, okay. Yeah, so I want to see if we could retest this resistance. If I was going to take some sells. Oh, hold on. He's doing a lot. He's doing a lot. Oh man. Sorry, man. Someone at my door. The way you know when someone rings your door like very aggressively, I'm like, what's this? Salespeople. I'm okay. The news say gold buy. I like buy for Nas. I'm making sure everything lines up first before I go with my bias. Yes. Yes, the news does say gold buy. So I was saying if gold does buy, I wanted to see how it reacts to 4,400 first. 4,400 first, and then if we can break, maybe we can push up some more. If it holds, then I was thinking, you know, we just get a retest and maybe sells back down. But looking at the 4 hour obviously rebroke this previous 4 hour high, and also we're pushing up from a daily support too. So I mean, a pullback, rejection from here makes sense. And now the news is sort of like aligned with the push as well. So yeah, we'll see. I want to see gold break 4,400. I do like that idea of Nas buys. Look, DXY has just been dropping as well, so that definitely helps with the gold buys idea. And it's dropping from this 4 hour level on DXY has been holding for ages. So let's see now. 17 minutes, let's see if gold can break 44. Let's see if Goldie can. Let's see. All right, we're pushing. Lower core PCE and GDP suggest cooling inflation and slower growth. Bearish for DXY, bullish for gold. Yes, that's right. That is right. When the numbers miss, it's bearish. Any bad data, normally bad data means it's not good for USD, and then everything against USD typically goes up. Well, gains strength, I would say, not goes up, because USD JPY would probably go down. But yep, that's kind of how you interpret data usually. Indeed. But yeah, we're getting a nice push. Are we gonna keep pushing? Good so far, but I need the candle to close above though. I want it to break this resistance. I mean, another thing is we are nowhere near Asian highs. You know what I mean? All the way up here. So I would still be anticipating a fake out because we are so bearish on gold. So this news, we could be getting a reaction to the news, and then price could continue in, you know, continue with the trend. And the daily candle, which, you know, it's just dumped since this morning. Hopefully no more news, war headlines as well, because meh. We're over this war stuff now. Yeah, jobless claims too. What about that Thursday news? It doesn't really feel like a Thursday because we had Monday off. I feel like I'm a day behind. I feel like a day behind. Oh, 404, 405. Oh, we're pumping. We're pumping. Prelim GDP. What else? Unemployment as expected. Oh yeah, gold's pushing nicely, nicely, nicely. Well done to everyone that said buys, the 38%. Well done, well done. You were correct. Alright, how far is gold trying to go? We on the same side with the buy? Or what, for Nas? Or for gold? I don't trust the buys. Why not, Benny? Why don't you trust the buys? You don't trust gold? Why not? My daily flip actually. I normally have this on. Lovely. Gold so bearish. Yeah, I mean, I suppose. I don't know, man. Like, there's the pros and cons. Look how much gold is. I mean, look where gold is pushing from. I said it earlier. What's happening, Sky? Good? Look, we're pushing up from a daily support. 4 hours pushing up from a 4-hour support to a broken the previous 4-hour high. Oh, that's loud. Pushing up. Yeah, so we're quite. We're not bullish, but there's some good bullish confirmations at the moment. Very good bullish confirmations at the moment. All right, how far are we going? This is a crazy push. Big push. Big push. How far do you think it's going? Look, clean range to the left, you know. The cleanest range to the left, all the way up. Just broke my trend line. What gold did? Gold or Nas? Nas tapped 3,300 and took a nice little tumble. Nas? Oh yeah. Okay, okay. We saying break and retest. Continue up. And we all come up with a banger trade this morning for the chat. Hey man, we just gotta play the markets to see if we get a nice setup. If we get the setup, then we're in. We're in there. This is a big push though, massive push. Jeez. All right, gold. All right, how far are we going? I didn't expect this news to have such a huge reaction. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. This is quite a few hundred pips. What's this? 300 pips and still going? Damn. This is a massive push right now. Crazy push. Still got 8 minutes left of this candle too. All this time left. Is it gonna keep going? $18? Shit. Get out of here. Cleanest range to the left. So what do you reckon? It retraces this whole drop? Reckon we retrace the whole drop? You see a break and retest for sells? Or what, for gold? For NAS? No, I mean break and retest for buys. Like if I have a trend line, then I usually see like I normally like a break and retest, but this, I mean, nah, I don't see a retest. I don't see a retest, but that's depends on what time frame you use, to be fair. But I usually like a retest, a break and retest if I use a trend line. $44.20. Jeez, gold. My text doesn't appear. Yeah, what's going on, Mike? I don't know why it does that. Oh, that fall without me. Gold drop during Asian session. Huge drop. And now it looks like it might just retrace the whole drop. 890 pips. I mean, look, we've retraced more than half of that. More than 50% of that. How far y'all think it's going back up to? I have no idea. I have no idea. But like I said, we're pushing up from a daily support. It's 4-hour support. 4 hours breaking highs, respecting lows. There's a lot of things that's looking quite bullish with this move up. It's a pretty strong level from before. Very strong level. I mean, 4380 has been my target this week. Like from, in fact, it might even have been before this week. Let me look at my daily analysis. Yeah, Tuesday, that was my target. Maybe before that, Friday. Yeah, it's been my target for a couple weeks. Down to this daily area. And now we've hit. Look at this push. Will it go back to yesterday's no hate for Wick area? I mean, that's a huge put. Back to 4,500. 700 pips. I mean, this right here is a crazy push right now. With 4 minutes to go. Do you know how big this candle is? Yo. Ugh. Huge move. Huge. This candle's massive. 450 pips. What, 700 pips to a big dog? Yo, what is 400 pips? It's nada. Nothing. I was thinking maybe this would be a fake out, like we'd push and then maybe drop back in the range because gold has been so bearish, but I think that's off the table now. Jeez. This is a massive move, guys. Massive move. Once it broke this resistance, that was it. It was out of here. Clean range to the left. That's an impulse move. Went to take the trash out. I went to take the trash out. Gold was at 43.98. Came back to a rocket launcher. Yeah, that's the thing. I was thinking maybe off the table. I'll say maybe a fake out. I think a fake out was off the table. Like we'd push, close above the resistance, and then maybe come back. Could it be time to clean house because everyone's short circuiting? What does that mean? What does that mean? Yeah, I don't know about a fake out anymore. Like the way gold is moving, we're heading up. We up. We up and out of here. This is a huge push. Now I'm thinking the next 4 hour may just continue up. It may just continue pushing. Bottom wick and then just keep pushing. We do need a top wick for 4,500, but are we going all the way up there? This was a good indication that gold was gonna push. This DXY has just been falling. Index will close the gap between 98.92 and 98.87.8. Oh, gold is pumping. I can't even keep up. I can't believe the size of this candle right now. Jeez. I just popped another 120. Crazy work, crazy work. Yeah, this is a huge move, man. Huge move. Nearly 500 pips. 500 pips before the new 4 hour even opens. Go on, this is gonna give us just a little bottom wick, flip, and then fly. Damn, look, pop and break the high and pop. Oh, it looks like we might go back to Asian highs, which is already a huge range. Yeah, man. I didn't think it would happen this quick. Do you know what I mean? We do have a nice clean range, but damn. This is going to be a very quick move. Yeah, look, did we break that? We broke that 4 hour high already. Is it going to pop now? Is it going to pop? Pop and take off? Asian highs for sure. Yeah, we out of here. We out of here. Oh. It's not making much more of a bottom wick, is it? Are we flying? Are we flying? Yeah, there we go. Gold is crazy. Just a huge push. Now, normally after a push like this, I would like a retracement, like before we continue up. But I don't know if that happens today. I don't know if gold decides to do that today. I don't think it does. I think gold just takes off. Are you gonna do that today, Goldie? Damn, Nas popped to back to 30,000. Okay, Nas. Little retracement then. Gonna give us a little something something. A little something something. What's up? That was a hard hit for me on Euro USD. What happened? What happened? You took a loss? Oh, when did this person come in here? 2 o'clock. People are so quick with it. You took a loss on EU. Hey man, look, losses are part of the game. It's all part of the game. That's how it goes, man. Gotta take the wins with grace, take the losses with grace. I learned that the hard way, trust me. Are we gonna get the push here now? Yeah, it looks like now we're gonna get the push. Gone gold. We out? Are we out? Don't let wins go to your head or losses go to your heart. Forget where I saved that quote from, but I've been carrying it with me for years. Yeah, man. That's it. It's all part of the game. It's all part of the game. It's all part of the good old game. Damn, gold. That's it. That's it. No more push. Gotta push some more. Thanks. I'm actively monitoring gold and EU. Yeah. I mean, often, like, well, I won't say before news as well, but I don't really like to get into trades right before news. I'd rather wait or be out before the news and then, you know, get in after the news. Did Trump speak this morning? No, we had a PCE price index and prelim GDP, which was both bad numbers, very bad numbers. Also, DXY is pushing down from a very strong 4-hour resistance that's been holding pretty much this month. And yeah, look, very strong drop. Been a very strong drop since earlier on today. So that all, like, you know, helped the gold buyers today. I was in class when the news came, was already out. Okay. Yeah, see, I want a little pullback. If before it continues up, I want it to drop a little bit, give some structure, and then continue up. If it does want to continue up, but who said it earlier? Benny said gold is it Benny? Yeah, I feel like it was Benny. He said gold's so bearish. Yes. What do you reckon, guys? Little pullback? Pullback coming? I can't believe how much that candle pushed though. That's crazy. Huge move. Now, are we gonna get a little pullback, or is this just the 4-hour bottom wick? Which one is it? do you reckon, guys? Drop then push? Or just drop? I don't know, man. I think maybe it's just a 4-hour bottom wick. Give us a decent 4-hour bottom wick. Flip bullish, push up some more. There we go. Just needs to flip and drive. Oh, I just hope gold hasn't run out of steam like yesterday. Yesterday we had all of this and then it just very slow trickle back up before the dump. Still looking for a buy at market open. Okay, what for Nas? Okay. Cool. Cool. Take out Asian and London highs. No, I like I was saying earlier, I like Nas buyers. It needed a bit of a pullback. It needed a bit of a drop because it's just been on a what 6 days? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just 6 super bullish days for Nas. Madness. Madness. You took sales yesterday? Oh, nice. Yeah, we needed a drop. We needed a drop. That's for sure. Yeah, I'm chilling today. Gold nearly tried to take me out. I was looking at sales down here. I was looking at sales, but I didn't have a nice entry. It's a good thing because we just shot right back up. Go, don't run out of smoke now. As Nas looks primed to pop. You guys taking these buys? Maybe we get a continuation pattern on gold. Maybe we get a little weak bearish candle, and then market open, we just fly. Set that. Sorry. Benny said, you ready for the buys? You ready for the Nas buys? Period. 928. There we go. What, last 8-minute push? 8-minute push. Why have I got 2 dailies on here? Yeah, I'm not happy to take a trade, to take an entry like this high up. You know what I mean? Nah. This is a very shady candle right here. Where's the volume gone? $500 push, and then this candle just does 140 pips. Really? We just ran out of steam like that? Let's see what happens in the last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes is when we get that good move. Alright, we ready? I'm ready for the NAS buyers. I'm ready for the NAS buyers. No, let me split screen this. Let's screen it. Maybe a store for a continuation pattern. Am I entering today? Yeah, fuck it. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's have some fun with it. Yo, you sent that message yesterday that was like hella late yesterday. Not yesterday, was it? You weren't here yesterday. Day before? I didn't have enough time to prepare. I've got time today. Got time today. I'll reach out to you today. My phone been acting crazy. Alright, cool. No pressure. No pressure. As if Nas flips bullish on the daily, I think we get a good push. Let's see. What do you reckon, guys? We're gonna get a pop on both. We're gonna get some nice gold buys. Play out this continuation pattern. Yeah, it definitely looks like a little continuation pattern on gold. Go playing. Penny, you're in already. Shit. Alright, let's do the thing. Let's do the thing. Let's go. Hey. Alright, go. Alright. Everyone's in Naz. Alright, guys. Alright. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yep, so gold continuation pattern. Naz already pushing. That's popped. Oh, that's popped. Oh, what, 50 pips up right now? 50 pips. $50, 40, 50, 54. Go for 100 pips on Naz. Go for 100, 100. Oh, that dropped. Ooh. Alright, we broke that high. That's looking good. That's good. That's good. Alright, Benny, you got 50 pips. Alright. Both gold, Naz. Both gold and Naz M30 continuation patterns. Yeah. But only Naz is playing out. Only Naz. Naz understood the assignment. Naz understood the assignment. Gold did not. Naz has come back for this bottom wick too. Little pullback. Just taking his time, but you know, you gotta be patient, guys. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Yeah, man, just chill, chill, wait. You know, little chill. Oop, oop, oop. Ooh, little dip. Do. Now it's taking a little dippity dip. Little dippity dip. This is what Naz does though, man. Naz likes to do this whipsaw business. Ali, what's happening, Ali? You good? Ali, where you been? How's the markets been treating you, Ali? What's up? What's up? How's the markets been treating you, man? Cool. Good, 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 good. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. That's taking a little dippity dip. Buy or sell. I think gold has the potential to be a buy. It has the potential to be a buy, but honestly, I don't know right now. If I'm being honest with you, it was definitely a sell for me this morning until we started to hold at this area here. Holding and pushing up from this area gave me buy vibes. It gave me buy vibes. But yeah, it's taken its time. Well, it's not really taking its time. It had a massive push up, but I need to wait for more information. Yeah, I'm still in. This it's only, I've got only a standard on that. That ain't nothing. It's down like $50 or something silly. $20 down. Yeah, I'm holding Naz. I'm good on Naz. I'm good on Naz. It dipped to, I switched off a different screen. It dipped to, it's at 27, 25 pips drawdown now. Maybe 30. Naz, I expect Naz to be up and down like this. This is what Naz does. That's why I don't like this candle. I think it did get to like 50 pips. But yeah, I'll hold it. This is like, I can risk up to like $100 on Naz. But yeah, gold. I can anticipate gold pushing up from here. But definitely need more information. Definitely need more information. This ain't... I like this continuation pattern until it started to drop like this. $15-minute continuation pattern to the downside. But how's everyone's day been? Anyone US 30? You taking a trade on US 30? What's going on over there? I don't trade US 30. Feels like trading Bitcoin. Like, why is this number so high? No me gusta. No me gusta. And nah, I like that. I like that. Do. But yeah, before the gold buys, I did want a bit of a pullback. So it would be great if this gives me the little pullback here. You know, create a little support and then push up. That would be amazing. That would be amazing. Like, you had a trend line on here. What time frame was you using your trend line, Sky? If I was to have a trend line, I wouldn't even be surprised if it came back. When I use break and retest for a trend line, I like it break in, retest, and then push in. But this was a massive push. So I wouldn't even be opposed to that. Would not be opposed to that. 15-minute. Oh, it's pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. I use different ones. Cool. But yeah, I like a little break and retest. Oh, the line disappeared for the 1 hour. Cool. That looks like an inverted head and shoulders on Nas. It's leaning though, isn't it? Had the trend line up. Oh, that, like, the trend line would have been like the neckline. Like little shoulders. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it looks better with the neckline. It does. Let's see if you can retest that neckline. Yo, technically, gold could still flip bullish and push and keep and go up. We could still get a continuation pattern on gold. So I can see gold. Let me see if I have a little picky pick. Let me, where is it? Where is it? Here we go. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Where is my pickies? Something like, you know, I'm just gonna draw it. Green candle with a long bottom wick. No, I can't bother. It's gonna take too long. This candle can still flip and push up, like feel the wick, break the high and push up. We got 15 minutes. Or we create a little resistance, then a support to then push back up. Do you know what I mean? Like, we just create structure. Structure, you know. Keep going. Because the 4 hours already broken the high. 4 hours already broken. So it's just, you know, if we create a nice decent 4 hour bottom wick, reflip bullish, break the high, we up. Is that the retest? Oh, is that the retest? That looks like the retest of the trend line to me. Close enough. I'll take it. I'll take it. Another store would be an hourly continuation pattern. Oh yeah. Oof. Back to back continuation patterns. Let's go. There we go. See, look. Now we could get a nice little push here. We get a nice push. Just need to flip now. Well, we flipped already on the 30. So yeah, we got time. We got time. We got time. We got time. Oh, I'm out of my nice trade though. Oh, wait, am I? I am not. Why not? Yo, where'd I put my stop loss, bro? Oh shit. Oh, shame. It's close though, it's close. It's very close. Actually put it under the trend line. Actually put it under the trend line. Through a fib on M5, it might fly. Let's see. See the head and shoulders? Yo, Ash is the pro at head and shoulders. It's true though. You be spotting this shit in your sleep. Alright, Goldie, what are you telling us, Goldie? What are you telling us? What are you telling us? I really thought gold was gonna flip and push. I had to Google to see it. Nah, this is actually a specialty. Every time frame. She'd be like, there's a 7-minute head and shoulders pattern. This is all of them. See all of them. I don't know how well the pattern works on NAS since I never back tested it, but I can spot it. I mean, I feel like patterns work on everything. Like, as long as the pattern's there, patterns aren't specific to pairs. They're just specific to candles. Come on, gold. We're gonna flip and push. Oh, DXY is not really moving anyway. Oh, nearly out of NAS. Ooh. Stop is right under this candle right here. But my prices are different. Yep. I'm out in NAS. Little honey. Little 100. Alright, gold, what you got for me? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I'm gonna push, little push. That's pushing back. I know Naz is the worst. As soon as I get out, damn, I should have waited until it really like tested this trend line. I had a feeling, yo. That's so jarring. Like, that's literally how I play trend lines as well. You see why I don't put a stop? Yeah, that's wild. I can't do that. I can't. That's not put a stop loss. Nah. That ain't me, man. That ain't me. It's only $100. I ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. I'll make that back. I'm thinking about getting in on gold. Oh, you see, if I break a rule, yeah, like when I didn't trade, when I first started trading, like in my early days, I would have mental stop losses, no stop losses. I know where I'd want to get out, all of that shit. Like it's the times that it doesn't work, the lesson is too expensive. It's too expensive. It's just not worth not having a stop loss. I'd rather take the loss and then make that money back. Like, it's easier to do that than to recover from a bigger loss by getting smacked. But then I was trading gold anyway. So golds, you definitely can't afford to do that on gold, because imagine like being in a sell here and having no stop loss. You're getting slapped like super quick. I can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. Yeah, nah, definitely not on gold. I mean, Nas, I've seen Nas do some dirty things too, some real big moves too. I've seen Nas go crazy. Like, it's this candle, this market open candle on Nas, I'm not a fan of. I'm definitely not a fan of. But I would love to see the break and retest play out though. I would love to see it play out. I may still take another entry, get back in, you know what I mean? I want to see how this candle closes, but I still like the buys. All right, gold push, little 5 minutes, last 5 minutes, market open candle. We're going to fly like 100 pips. Fly or drop. I could never not use a stop loss. Yeah, nah, I got to. Got to. Right, where to get in again on Nas? I would still keep my stop loss right here. Oh, that's why I had it that low. Oh, gold is playing games right here. I can't believe gold ran out of steam after that big old push up. I mean, I can believe it, but damn. What's the feds over here talking about? That's too much. That's too much to read. I'm not reading all of this. Nothing new. Where's my high impact headlines again? What's that about? My hot stories. I don't like what they've done to this setup. Oh, Leo, what's up, Leo? You're right. I don't know if I said hi. You're right. 4452. If gold is good, maybe a push to. Okay, yes. I want gold to come up. I would like for gold to re-break and push. I think after this huge push, we had to slow down a bit, take a breather, and then continue up. You know, I still think it looks good. Yeah, I still think it looks good. I do indeed. 2 minutes, little 2-minute pop. Let's go. We out of here. We out of here. I don't want H1 to close too high, mess up the continuation pattern. Yeah, it looks like it's about to flip, isn't it? Does no, I think we might be good. I think we might be good. How long we got? 35 seconds. This is what we're looking at. A little something like it's a weak candle. Ooh. Yeah, this one here. Little bottom wick and then just straight push up. Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. Just take her buy as soon as the candle opens. Just hit buy. Waiting for gold to at least reach 4,456. There may be a sell. Okay. But who knows? Who knows? Come on, gold. Give me a little bottom wick. Bottom wick. I might actually take the flip. Let's zoom in a bit. Zoomage. Gold's playing. Gold is playing. But I mean, this is an hour. This is an hour pattern. You know, we got a lot of time. We have a lot of time. If I get in at the flip, stop loss would be below the previous candle low. It's like 120 pips. See if I can get a little push. It's a little push. Nothing crazy. There goes chilling. But yeah, I'm still expecting gold to push. If gold can break this previous 1 hour high, I'm expecting gold to push up. If it holds and we don't push, then I'm expecting gold to retrace and just continue bearish for the rest of the week. Well, tomorrow. Honestly. What's your buy target if gold wakes up? Really? I'm just looking for it to come back to the daily flip, honestly. It'll be daily flip. And then if the daily flip, if we break above, maybe 4,500 if we can keep pushing. But structure-wise, gold just kind of looks like it's just... down, you know? If I look at it like that, you know, we're just making a lower high to come back. Look, that's the IC 4 hour, didn't even break the high. Yeah, I can imagine. I can see gold. I could see gold dropping as well. I could see both. Just a reminder, folks, tomorrow is the last day of the monthly candle. Yes, I'm thinking end of the month sell-off and Friday sell-off. Lots of sell-offs. Thinking maybe... Oh. Yeah. Yep. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, I need to Google. I'm about to... Look at this 30-minute on gold. The 30-minute actually looks like a bearish continuation pattern. Yeah, you can't make this shit up. Gold is crazy. Big sell-off to end the month, possibly. Well, bake it. So you know how I made that carrot juice yesterday? I made some more today, and I still got a lot of the carrot pulp left. So I'm gonna make like a carrot puree, and I've got a sea bass there that I'm gonna put on top of it. Ugh, I can't wait. I actually don't know how I'm gonna cook this puree. Do I bake it? Do I roast it? I'm gonna season it up, bit of garlic, salt and pepper. Melt the butter in a pan. Oh wait, what? Melt the butter in a large frying pan. Cook the onions and sugar together. Oh, let me find out. Oh my god, let's go. With rice, no rice. Fried sea bass. Fried the sea bass in a little butter. This is what I'm about to make. I'm about to do this with my puree. I don't like wasting food, so my carrot juice, it's got a lot of puree left. It's got, you know, the pulp. I'm about to do this. Butter, 2 onions, little brown sugar, parsley. I've got some parsley down there. Cook the onions, boil or steam the carrots. Oh no, they're already blended. Oh yeah, I'm screwed. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's already pulpy. I'm gonna figure it out. My shit's gonna be rocking. I already know. I'll figure it out. Baby food. Yeah. I ain't got no babies though, so it's Mickey food. It's about to be some Mickey food, but I know it's gonna taste good. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I actually had a buy stop. I got entered in. Oh my gosh. I actually had a buy stop. Ha! You know, I said I wanted to get out the flip of this candle. Oh my, I just got a notification. Trade opened. Oh snap. Well, I'm in a trade. Wowzers. That is crazy. I was not paying attention. Too busy looking at my recipes. Alright, let's see how this plays out. You're into when? I want to see it push. I'm probably gonna go break even, like close partials right here. This is my target, right? Like back to the daily flip. I can't believe I forgot. That's so bad. Yeah, so by the time it gets to here, I'm gonna close some partials and then go break even and then just let the runner run. Damn. I did want the flip. To the moon now, God. That's what I'm talking about, Ash. To the moon. To the moon. Oh, damn. I didn't even get to... Alright, I'm closing partials right here. Right here. And then stop losses at break even now. Damn. That shit happened quick. Push past where I wanted to go break even. Yo. That was extremely quick. Where did that actually take me out? Sorry guys, that was very quick. I was literally about dead ass about to end the stream. I wasn't even on my broker at the time. I just saw the little notification in the corner. That's crazy. $40.2. It's about there. I've been thinking about this food, not gonna lie. I love how you were chatting about food. Yeah, man, that was crazy. That was crazy. That just pushed. And I haven't been using buy stops and sell stops in a while. Oh, you gonna come and stop me out? Yo, so you gotta be snatching pips these days, man. What's my actual entry? Actual entry was 4430.42. 0.42. That was the entry right there. I think it even got slipped a bit. That actually surprised me, I'm not gonna lie. Nah, not yet, not yet. I've closed partials. I close partials and then leave a runner. You want Asian highs? I mean, yeah, it's not far off, is it? Alright, Goldie, what are you gonna do? You gonna push or you gonna hit my stop loss? Alright, while it's doing that, I'm legit gonna look how to cook this shit. Ooh, that popped. Okay, so it popped on my broker, but not on here. Yo, Awanda, what we doing? What we doing, cuz? Oh my god. Awanda's about to get dropped too. Yo, straight to TP. Oh my god, push past. Damn. Alright, that was crazy. That was crazy. Boom. Yo, alright, I'm out. I'm out. Yo, what was that? Look, Awanda's still here in the past. Crazy. Yo, what was that? This is why you gotta have backup charts, guys. Oh no, did US... Oh, look, NAS pop too. I'm definitely gonna check out that break and retest strategy on NAS. Well, I already know it works, but damn, I didn't get in on NAS. Should have got my money back over there. Revenge traded that shit. Give it back. All right, yeah, guys, I'm out of gold. I'm out. Sorry, I know that wasn't a great trade call. It's gonna sell. Don't worry. I'm not worried. I'm out. I'm out. I'm good. I caught my little... That was that push right there. That 20% I had left on. That was... I think it actually slipped. Where did it actually get me out? 280 pips. I'll take that all day. All day. All day. Anyway, did NAS catch up? There we go. NAS caught up. That was 280. 49, 59, something like that. Yeah, but yeah, I think look, we broke that. Oh yeah, we're gone. We out of here. What's this? News? Any news? When I see a push like this, I always think something happened. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for the little red headline to pop up. Just as about to pop that wick. Just as it was about to pop that wick, I just exited. Oh, crazy. Look what I say. Look, US and Iran reach a deal, but need Trump's final approval. Oh yeah, gold is gone. Gold is gone. Yeah. Typical. We see when pushes like that happen, I just pop this open and I wait for the red folder. I wait for the red display. But that's a very much a news push right there. Like that pop was very much a news pop. Cool. Perfect. So wait, it's gonna sell, don't worry. Then I'm still in buyers since London Open. I am killing it. Okay, buddy. Okay. About to throw a pic in the Discord. Alright. Well, W, if you caught a trade today, if you caught a move, if you took something, then W trade, WU. But I am done for the day. About to go figure out how to chef this carrot puree. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be interesting. It's that M5 fib that played out. Oh yes, yeah, you did put a little fib on it. Wait, they reach an agreement on 60-day MOU to extend the truce. Light work, light. But yeah, guys, appreciate you for joining. As always. You're out on NAS. Lovely, love you. Lovely. Well done. But yeah, guys, what we got tomorrow? I think tomorrow we got a quiet day. Wait, what's that? Missile. Oh shoot. I thought I saw something else that I did. Yeah, quiet day tomorrow. Thank God, quiet day tomorrow. I think gold is still gonna push though, just based off that news headlines. I think we're moving. I think we're pushing. But yeah, quiet day tomorrow, so we'll see. I don't know if we get that sell-off tomorrow now that they're reaching agreements, and also where we're pushing up from, guys. This is still very important. Do you know what I mean? We're pushing up from this daily support, which has been a very strong level. So I can imagine we, you know, I don't want to say like a double bottom. I don't see that, but I can see this being a low point for gold, and we start heading back up. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. We'll see how the daily candle closes. But it could be buyers going into tomorrow. could be buys. And then we got Asian session. You know, I like a good Asian session push after some a Thursday night or Friday morning Asian session. I do like a continuation of what happened the day before. So yeah, I got out, was a bit scared about a huge sell from that H1 resistance. Oh damn, yeah. I think we're gone now. Just based on that news, I like the buys on gold. I like it. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Be careful out here. Keep an eye on that news headline. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.